Okay, guys, congratulations to those of you that traded my signal yesterday. And I'm really happy that we're able to achieve the profits we achieved yesterday, both on the Telegram channel and on the YouTube channel. I am really happy we were able to do this together. So today we will check out all those assets, and of course, we will check out what we're able to achieve and see what we can also achieve today. So if you have been looking for an opportunity to learn good trading strategy to improve your trading activities, and of course during this process you also get to earn on your own by following the signals and my analysis, then definitely you should watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of how we are able to generate most of these winning signals that we are generating. Okay, so guys, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family, okay? And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp if you have a personal question, okay? Now, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, okay? So, like I've always been telling you, I love using the trend trading strategy because it makes trading very simple and easy. And you don't need to stress yourself trying to know so many things, trying to analyze the chart. Just follow the trend, and you will, or you are most likely to make more profit doing that. Okay, so now let's take them one after the other. See what we can also achieve today and what we have achieved yesterday. Okay, so I'm starting with Ganex 1200, and I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so right here, this particular asset actually got to the support region at this spot, and it was unable to break out from there. Okay, since it's unable to break out from there, it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. You can see the red color change into a yellow color, which is an uptrend color. And of course, it gave us this blue arrow, which is the buy signal. So like I've always been telling you, you can always come in here. Okay, place your order here, set your stop loss at the spot, and of course, allow it to play out. If it's not going to go your own way, probably the markets misbehave and break out. Probably it breaks out below the support region, then definitely it will hit your stop loss, and that way your capital will be protected. Okay, so this is very, very important. But in this situation, it's actually went our way and went into an uptrend, and as you can see, it bought for a long period of time. Okay, got to this region, add the pullback, add more buy order to confirm that it is still buying, and it broke out. This happened to be a resistance. It broke out above the resistance zone and resistance zone. Right now, it has gotten to the resistance zone, add a pullback, went back up again, still unable to break out from this resistance zone. Okay, because it has not been able to break out from there, it is switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we've gotten a sell signal, a downtrend signal. So what I expect you to do is to place your order at this spot, set your stop loss, and allow it to play. Okay, if you are yet to place your order, I will advise you to wait for this breakout. Okay, if it breaks out from here easily, then definitely it will sell more. Okay, but if you have placed your order, you are good to go. You should be in profit right now, and watch out for this. It's possible for it to have a little breakout pullback at this spot. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then definitely it's going to sell more, and of course we should be targeting this region if it sells more. Okay, so that is that for Ganex 1200. Let's move on to Gainx 999. Okay, Gainx 999. I actually dropped this signal within a Telegram channel yesterday, highlighting our entry point, some TPs for us to achieve, and of course our stop loss. Okay, it took some time before it was able to play as predicted. However, if you are taking that, I mean, this particular signal, it has achieved TP1, TP2, and even the last TP, which happened to be TP3. Okay, so I tried to stop it at TP3 because I knew that right here is a support region, and it might want to have a pullback at that point. Okay, so you can see it pulled back at that point. If it should break out from here, guys, we have all this space to milk. Okay, we have the whole of this place, I mean this space to milk. So you should milk it down till this very end. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. That is why it is always important to have a good trading tool so that you can have a good analysis done even before you go fully into any trade. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 I've been buying just like the way I highlighted yesterday, and I said right here is a resistance zone. You can see it got there and it even broke out from there. Let's take it up to H1 time frame so that we will have a better understanding of what I was actually trying to point out. Okay, okay, we can't really see it on H1. Let me take it on H4 this time around. Okay, H4 too. Okay, yeah, I think we can get what we are looking for on H4. So as you can see, this yesterday I said it should get to this region. It got there and it broke out even above that to buy more. So this is still buying, very strong bullish trend. Okay, so right now it will be heading towards this region. Okay, it should be heading towards this region. Let's see if it will get there, but it is still very much on bullish trend. So it is right now, it is on a very strong bullish trend, so you guys should take advantage of that. So this is Paynex 1200, so you should take advantage of that. Now let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. It had been on downtrend. I drew out this support line and I said if it breaks out below it is going to sell more, just as predicted. You can see it broke out below it and it sold more, and it has gotten to a new support region, and it's achieved the RTP, which I highlighted in the video I made for this particular asset also. Okay, so I'm going to go to H1 right now just for us to see where this is heading to. Okay, so as you can see, right here is a support region. If it breaks out, okay, let me highlight this with another color. So if it should break out from here, then this is going to sell more. Okay, so and may likely achieve all these TPs later on. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this might be a very strong trading opportunity if it breaks out from here. So you guys should watch out for that. If it breaks out from here, then we have more selling opportunity to deal with on this particular page. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. It started an uptrend right from this support zone and it has been buying. Of course, it has gotten to this region, and of course, if you should notice, it also respected it around here. So if it should break out above this resistance, then it's going to buy more and may likely get to this region. However, this is still buying at the moment, okay, except if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone. That is when it will not buy, and it may likely switch from an uptrend into a downtrend and decide to sell for a while. Okay, so this is very, very important. Don't worry, I'm going to come up with more information if I'm able to get anyone in the Telegram channel. I will post that in the Telegram channel. But for now, this is all you need to know for today. So you can see a quick recap about what we have discussed today. If you should notice, everything is based on trend trading strategy. Once you get your trend right, then you can trade for a very long time. The time frame does not really matter. Okay, just get your trend right, then it will help you to achieve a lot. Okay, if you don't know how to identify your trend or when your trend is changing, then you can come for this trading tool, and of course it will help you to identify all these, and of course let you know where to go into the trade and when to stay out of the trade. It is as easy as that. It is a custom made indicator. those that are having it are enjoying it right now. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you, or probably you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will definitely reply you once I get your message. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.